Most people think forearms are purely genetic. They throw in the towel, saying, "My wrists are thin, they'll never get thick." But here's the reality. You aren't training your forearms, you're just tiring them out. Today at Ironforce, we are burying that thin wrist excuse for good. A man's strength starts in his palm and ends at his elbow. If the space in between is empty, it doesn't matter how much weight you can move. The real reason your forearms aren't growing is that you only treat them as assistants for your pulling movements. In reality, the forearm is one of the most complex mechanisms in your body. Just curling isn't enough. You have to rotate, squeeze, and crush them under static pressure. The cold, hard truth is that you're trying to build forearms using only the leftovers of your biceps workout. That's why your arms disappear inside your t-shirt. Let's change the game. Rule number 1, awakening the brachialis. Most lifters don't even know its name, but this is the real engine behind that massive full-look forearm. Grab your dumbbells with a hammer grip, but as you lift, apply extra pressure to the thumb side. This tiny shift in angle will make the outer line of your forearm pop like a mountain range. What about that famous vascular look? The secret isn't just in a rice bucket, it's an extreme endpoint contraction. Try gripping a bar or a water bottle using only your fingertips. Maintain that pressure until your knuckles turn white. This thickens your tendons while pressing the muscle deep against the bone. That's when your wrists stop looking like paper and start looking like steel cables. Next up, rotational destruction. The forearm's greatest feature is its ability to rotate. Take a rod or a rolling pin, tie a weight to the end, and roll it up using only your wrists. But don't stop there. On the way down, keep that same slow control. This movement kills the imbalance between the inner and outer forearm, giving your arm that perfectly rounded form. Finally, it's time to test true grip strength, the plate pinch. If you're at home, take a thick book or a heavy object and pinch it between your fingers. Do not let your palm touch it. Dominate that weight with finger power alone. When this workout is over, the next time you shake someone's hand, they won't just feel your hand. They'll feel your discipline and your power. Excuses are not a reality, they are just a starting point. At Ironforce, there's no room for "I can't." A thin bone structure is actually an advantage. It makes your muscles look even more prominent. You just have to build the muscle there first. If you want to spread this discipline to your entire body and shred that stubborn fat, I'll see you in the next video. What we discuss there will be your turning point. Ironforce. Now go out there and tear those forearms apart.